What's going on, everybody? It's your resident tech jockey, TJ Mike, here with another helpful tech video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows updates when it's not working, it's giving you errors, whatever it may be. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is right-click on the Start menu button and go to Settings. Then down in the bottom left corner, we're going to go to Update and Security. When Windows Update hasn't already ran, you'll typically see something that says either check for updates or check online for updates. So the first thing that we're going to do is on the left side of the screen, we're going to go to Troubleshoot. And in case you don't already have the screen open, you can, in the search bar in the bottom left corner, type Troubleshoot, and you'll get Troubleshoot settings in the search. In this Troubleshoot menu, you may not see anything. What we're going to do is go ahead and click Additional Troubleshooters if you don't. And underneath this, you can see that there is one for Windows Update. Let's click that and run the troubleshooter. Now, this troubleshooter is going to go through and it's going to try and detect any issues that you may be having already and automatically repair them. At the end, it'll let us know whether it was able to or whether it wasn't. And that's it. It's done. So for me, I don't have any issues on this computer, so it's going to tell me it can't identify the problem. But if you do have a problem, it will typically at the end have a little check mark, a box with a little check mark, and show you what it did or what it fixed. Or it will come up and tell you that it couldn't fix whatever problems you're having. So for the second way to fix the Windows Update issues, like maybe that troubleshooter didn't help you, we're going to go ahead and we are going to navigate to Services. And the first match that should come up is called Services. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Once Services is open, we are going to look for two services that we need to stop. The first one that we're going to look for is Bits, which is the background intelligent transfer service here. We're going to right click on that and hit stop. It's going to go through and stop that. Once that's stopped, and as you can see under status, it doesn't say it's running any longer. We're going to scroll down and look for Windows Update. And there it is, Windows Update. We're going to right click and we're going to stop that one as well. Now that we've got those services stopped, we're going to open File Explorer. Go to the C drive. Windows, and we're going to look for a folder called Software Distribution. We're going to open that up, select everything in here, right click and delete, or hit delete on the keyboard, and then we're going to go back to our services and we're going to start Windows Update, and we're going to restart the background intelligent transfer service. Once that's done, we can go back to updates. And we can try running them again. Hopefully that was able to fix your Windows Update issues. If not, drop down in the comments. Maybe I can help you further. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe.